Yamwachi BM more kwaba do Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yada Apostle Dr. Ni te Kotegwase enim kranshan some of their bread they do sonny a Badwam Kasian some no near to your mubia ubeti ni oso for na so ye hwe nwomasuya so se school placement resolution center no de na ochoba kwasa to hobiem if you say make us about time mu bi no mano eda so wo hawa na ochoba ko yemfansiesie sansemi eni sembi na no pay yede browse Adom TV Badwam Kase ko Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com and some way ni sembi ewo ho Majoy Trish entade fefe ba ko ene shemi to ko Instagram ni Facebook Majoy MAJOY Trish eso na yesa onso akopebi media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de miente se de samni chemu ankasa etie asoye hwe nwomasuya so se school placement resolution center na one at hall enkran no one more side na ochoba kwa to ho no so bibia wo hawa abatan ne wo mofra how bi a wo mo wo no na ochoba kwa sada ho nko no nkosisi
as a Friday say be but ya ankasa ye de to ye ho so say ye pese ye mop up ye pese ye make sure so bia aye happy enti ye de to ye ho so say be band enti ye be Friday officially no ye be Friday enti we dey just a mop up exercise enti wa so hu want to say number na sheda endorse by ye pese obi be ko na we akoka say o me ba ye kra no ya nya me say enti na ya san de ya san ba enti obi a wo bi a ope we no or person change from day to board and I send in school no or be any challenge be umbra you are up to Friday.
And which you know was on the side we see eto headmasters are one more edan to school ahodo enim.
This week make I say problem na start say eba no me press press conference kakra show mo say omo njai because omo frustrated parents no because to go school who were printouts you see within nimu so I've been able to place a call to some of the headmasters and then the headmasters to stop what they are doing so we were print out Jenipano because you just have to verify from your system so I don't understand why the frustration yes we have been able to call some of them to stop what they are doing.
So and to also school senior high school mo na no memenda no na ekwan bi say one day from one no betumi akọ school ahodo emu na nkrofo schools ayema ebi nso de nipa kuma bi na aba te se nkwanta senior high technical school woti mantemu no yese first student and I say first SHS for no school for 9 pay and one ma bank nkwanta senior high technical school mo Adom Kase etwaso.
We are happy that everything went through and we are ready to learn for the last time. And then all the teachers are around, so we encourage our colleagues to come around so that we gather and learn.
I'm happy that I came and I saw my friends and we are about to learn. So I'm very happy. I wish them to come home.
Headmaster de Masukuyi Imano Atimemu enso ene Adom Kase mani boni twetwe nkomode de sre we see eto awofo enim.
Is all the security people are around, they are taking good care of us here. So nobody should be afraid. They must come around to pick their admission. But rather, my challenge we have as a management is this year, the numbers we expected, we haven't gotten them in terms of the declaration we made, the vacancies we declared. The computer placement hasn't given us the numbers. That has also affected us in a way.
Yamungra Yensen for Fromo na Ghana Water Limited and Penifona Ekase was corporate bodies and also Wama Bwa Tawachi. Na insuo ehun some tissue pa ne treatment plants no won betumi asiesie no ayeye ne ye sabre ya enche yewra epebremu no ensam no eni.
Corporate bodies can pick some rivers. We want to support you to descend Ayesu at Kwanyako. We want to support you to descend Bonsa. We want to support you to descend Kibi, so that as they pick, the cost per each of the corporate bodies will be less. So they can come in and say, okay, we want to support A, B, C, D. Give us the the amount. And if you want us, we can go ahead after this, we'll put together and put them together, and everybody to know how much each one goes.
Ebra we nsemisabi ano dia fa say state of emergency ade o man ehia no opanyin mutawakilu de to just say
emergency going to be there forever. That is the question we must ask. You declare state of emergency, so for how many years? When the people continue the day you leave the state of emergency, when they go back, we can't have state of emergency forever. So there must be pragmatic measures, as the President Mama had put it, to make sure that we put in measures to sustain it, and that will be sustained forever. I think in my position, Ghana Water is not state of emergency, and two, it's not only illegal money that sold our treatment plants.
Well, so somewhere muno Managing Director Ghana Water Limited Adom Mutawakilu na wade to just say die kwanyako water treatment plant no ejina na so ebiem se de bebe atwa mo na ejina no ye adwuma dendendenden be abosome ntam kakra ni o how ba ho kakra na so say aba ejina na so
kwanyako treatment plant, I can assure you, with the stability dropping as a result of the intervention of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Kwanyako is operating 100%. We are producing water 100%. But what did we do? We have to relocate these pumps from down to the surface. So we have to do re-engineering by bringing the pumps up to be able to take the clean water that is coming in. And that is why we are now able to produce 100%. But when they are submerged down there, the salt, it will produce, they cannot produce well because of the high turbidity. But if we don't desalt it to conserve enough water during the rainy season, as the dry season comes, that means we have to re-engineer it to lower it as the water drops. When it gets to the level of the salt, we can't produce any longer. And that's why we are calling on corporate Ghana to come and support us with resources to desalt these intakes, so that with the effort of the government, we'll be able to contain clean water for production throughout the year. This is how, it's a new pump. This is how it should be. So we brought it up, we clean it, then we re-engineer it and place it at the surface of the water.
Mensi krache ya wono hwe GARU eso John Abr Abumba. Wose ye ne ya make say wono mo ba be ye nhyiamu na wono mo ahwede bambo mu odene atofom na ni nyina no egina enipa nan bia nipa bonfo bia ku wo mo ye hunu na sekire ehun hyiamudie ebekoso ene.
Ewiane ebo mamane wo yenkase mu se ukopi mu GARU eno ewo GARU mensrin mu a etututu bia koso nam soma se ne mo kase nipa nan de wono mo etinana no mo ensiedo nenso yenim nipa bonfo a wono mo ekodisa ensemone yi we nam so amadom kase ene abanka chipeni wo GARU mensrin no emu Jonabare abuba atwetwe nkoma wo kire se yame adom a wo kina wono mo de meeting be hyehye so ede afasa ensemi a esi ho na afenso wode nema hodo bi agwa kwam betimi aboa ama hombambo ejina pay one moment no emu.
Yeah, I think I informed that I'm here with the commander who's going around, but the military too from Boko, we informed them, and I can see that about a car. I saw one of their car station at the hospital where the victims were sent. So currently that is what we have just informed the police, and then tomorrow morning we are going to have a dissect meeting, have a briefing from the security, and then maybe we'll take it from there.
Captain ya wono and Celebrity Golf Club was akomono no ya Alex upon Bafo ene woni executives ni bia ka won ho aboma was Chairman Penny John Dramani Mahama so womra wom hyiemu na golf house ho nipa bi je ho boso no ya de koso ho no entwayi womo akora ka so womo siesie ho atwa fesue atwa ho ahia na enipa bi tata wonti was Chairman Penny so womra emeboa won.
Ebi amigine Celebrity Golf Club was Sakomono so be piemu ewa ha asasiantam aida mechia na anho wamanfo a womoba ha be golf enya asem keto akra so wo hwe mechie ya womo aduaduanua green grass na nsuo tɔ a ɛkyi saa nsuo nyinaa ɛma ne wura asase mu nanso no hwɛ machiwa ɔmanfo bi nso ahyase esi adan estate ɛde bowra ɛyɛ park a wɔn ɛde bɔ golf mu captain a ɔno ɛna da ɛyɛ celebrity club ya no Alex Opombafo ɛne Adom News nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ no wɔkyerɛ a wɔn etuso anamɔn ɛne TDC Forestry Commission for akɔyɛ nhyiamu a wɔn ɛhwɛ sɛ nka wɔn esi ɛyɛ wall ɛde etwa wɔn park yi ho sɛnea ɔmanfoɔ ntumi ɛmmɔ nwuram nanso no anamɔ a wɔn etuyɛ no ɔmanfoɔ bi atututuo ɛde egu ɔmanfoɔ a wɔn ɛkɔfa wɔn sɛ wɔn ɛnto wall no wɔn de ato ɔmanpanin John Dramani Mahama anim sɛ ɔne ne manfoɔ ɛhwɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmanfoɔ ɛyɛ esi adan ɛwɔ beebi a nsuo tɔ a ɛsɛ sɛ ɛkɔtaa na wɔn de sɛ asase wɔn tu so anamɔ ɛma wɔn.
The club respectfully requests swift action to resolve a long-standing boundary discrepancy and to deter further incursions that endangers workers, golfers and the public. On the 7th of June this year, heavy equipment entered the course. Portions of Hole 1 and Hole 2 were damaged by these equipment trying to demarcate the land. On the 8th of October, individuals demarcated and dug foundations for walls spanning roughly 6 plots on Hole 1, and we informed the Regional Police Command. Our humble request to His Excellency the President is to institute a coordinated and immediate enforcement to deter and halt any unlawful entry, threats and damage on the course.
On meeting at the Prince Owusu Esiedu, Adom News.
Enipa baako prama yɛ de ne kwayare sabia ama enipa enwotwe nso wonya baabi obeda ne nyina nso omsusu sɛ kasoa MC bodyguard ene military ne national security fo bi a won hye ntade abo awura hɔ no mu ahomache bɛ no miensa kasoa Akwele Peace Town awutu senya is mensimu finfimantemu abedwi wondan no agu akase no etwaso
mo ba wa sɛ mimi ni wo mo nti enipa bi amadi sɛ stopper no eyampampa eyo ba na minim ni din ogina osisi amehu so won no ogina ho no dan ka so ase na ba akoso ye friend supi manche nti omu nyina no sankofo ni mo omu ni mo omu system no nti omu na omu bodin no eche but omu nyina no omu gina ho a memehu omu
ehona traditional leader Wokaswa nai ansa oshimpu enso ne amanibu ne twetwe nkomo no destre eto abanka chepani yi enimu se adama ne bodyguard yi wonhwa na wonya ne kasa kyere se ne be ya enima hudu bia woye ewo mpotemu obegyae sanse wode tumi ahye ne nsema enima nsem fata ena woye
yentira me ba me ti omudin no ameria so de etu okia omuso ma woni shoot o so ma mpie na ameria so be pie na nimba no wakum no ameria tie no o ma woni shoot so obegbo ameria tuo na obi fry ogbe gire chi o kan say stopper mambo ni tuo stopper mambo ni tuo e won na twi manchele so ati ko ogbo enu gba ko oti egbe ni dan mu o di sofi bubo mu na obi so fry twi manchele ja ade a wo ye na obekum no
nanso ewosansem we mu no yamane boni ene stopper amofo yi ebo ne kodu twetwe nkoma wo kire se ensema wo kato no so no nya de se no kure bia ewo mu
diane ni omo ha ne wo fi ni ade enti ni asem omo kan ni ni me re fa ofisi bibi amenka nche chief Adom menu nanti se achekaka bibi amebo amane ni mere eno anse me vedi yes nipa o kasa no me the odi kan kasa answer me first person ya fan answer na any first time o yes ade no me kai me bi etwim I think be 2 years ana me say 2 years so no ko jam be yisu TikTok ya so kota say me metu hini
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe no na pani ba kwa waka MPP amanyoko no communication team ho Thompson Alfred Thompson na ene wosi wono de ohunu yie pa se gifty oware ya ene ye de ntansa bi abono fa National Service Secretariat and authorities ikasem bi no se de tie bia no ekọ nanimu no obede no ho fi se sika ne se de omo kano no onyi ni se gifty ebetumi ayesa.
And I hope and I believe, say, at the end of it, the court will exonerate them. Say, chronobobian kososa. Because, I mean, 600 million, I don't want to accept and appreciate, say, omoye baby, sir. No. I know Gifty very well. Very lovely lady near, they're very hardworking. And I don't believe, say, Obetumi could raise casa. No, I will stand up for her. And I believe that the courts will deal with the issue. Konobia won't be, it will come out. But as I sit here today, no, it can't happen. It can't happen. But that comes back to say now the onus is on them to live up to expectation. Say omina jitum say digital drive no ebeboa. They should tighten every corner for all these little things. Sometimes what you wouldn't say obi betumi abokro no wa say obedwen say ye bedwen say yewo. Yeah. I remember one time and I put it I'll mention the school. But baby, I'm head war one time be. Na or share admissions near there. When it comes to admission, you're buano near there. Na one of the junior staff or more be a chance be a woba a wohona of admission. Na ya share say, I mean, baby, we age my word here. Baba school, even though we are cleaner now, we are a cooker now, we are a now we baso school kesia ebe yenede. So she gave people the chance. Yes, she na echinkrofo ton sa slots near there.
MPP Amanyoko Penny Bako and Nida Kwan said that she be a delegate in Tua Benyon known to Franca Mawon. Yakane Mampenia Bediatre, Dr. Mahmoud Baumiana was say, where Wayan she be Sabeya, said 2 million ebedino why bear annual constituency level engagement. Wo GDA pass ebema kwan na constituency this year wo honso benya kwan akasa wo manhunu ne ekoso ensem odi tudwano ede
mesume pese nyame adom yenya kwan at least usually said etie no we are buying more president enya adaje and making meetings with the grassroots. Me perceive ye regular meetings. Said na president for ye town hall meetings no. Me perceive me ye town hall meetings with the grassroots every year. One meeting me ba bandaha as president na matie adia eldama kuma so. Ena me di saadie no akoye ejuma. Enti ye the presidency no ba abe shemonsa as grassroots people na mo akantre me adia ehiamo na ma Jubilee House akoye saade no ama mo nyina enti we nyina me pese ye ebeboa nyina na de puntu bebre so aba na ye nyina so ye nya chefa na edidija no so aba form kukurudu
Yenya no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye DCE emrani adaje enti ye da se papa ye nwie yo afi kra na ye hyase ye de nwom to no 5:30 ejeje moa na fe nkranhyensem baye nkranhyensem Apostle Dr. Nita Kutego ba 5:45 ti ya no so na nso tie be bebo wo wi a 5:50 ye de news no banti mu ene ye guye a edi awie de adu so no said agudie mu nsam no atie de bonkrata no ne Adom online stories any health tips and afi ne brana so ya ye de ebro nti wo a afi na do afidie na to hane ye mo ache so nko ye da mo ase ye de radio senso me nyina ye nkra said ne working at asifo 21st October me no miedo ne abusia ye nyina ye tie ase na ja Adom na dom ye ne nso ama Eric se do bodi radio Adom na nkwa ahoden bibia ye adwuma amwasa bejina na so said ye tie bia na agudie mu nsam no ye de beto aso bre no so a ye de bonkrata no ene Adom online de bebra mu a said ye ne da no so do de no beba na fe ya to aso bra akwasi bodi ye mu achen na bia boko de
Nyame Adom bibia hyehye ye enkwa ne hia enkwa ne hia kopon de achen
o de acheye o de acheye
me kasa nya merit mess
de
ya de yes
nti de ye de be me yetiefo na no paper ne say omudo mu ko read Psalm 121 eho nyina ye medadodo de o Israel so no ontonko ene wona o se Awurade be hwe o so wadi frem ene wa fie be mu ya wo homa asem bia nti emfasa asem mu enchechire ye hu re emfa hye ye hu kunan na dia obo soro ne asase
yes
o hwe ye nso da ebe de pa ye nya bre ma bible kanse mu
so ma mennie
eda wo so
Awurade na no pengo sra na pa hallelujah
and some ho
oh yes
some ho de ya na meda ho
oh yeah
meda ho pa
yeah
o de bibia kire so ade bie sam
mate
ebi wo ho bi area kenkan
kama
Psalm 34 say emu Psalm 35 emu Psalm 23 dey so obi edi
oh say ni
Ewurade ne ye brofo akwasi hwi yawo
oh akopon ti ase di
say ya ti ase
no say o ta kan dey dey obenya favorite awo wa
yeah first part na nke ye 34 ho no em say 34 18 but later I said making kan ya maybe to 121 no
fantastic and baby aso no dey adwuma ma so baby otum say the baby bomb party say kopa ya meti ase say Proverbs 21 chem say ohina koma eda nyankopon say ensu a etene ochim fa baby ope to won say no nyankopon achim ohina koma ba wa fa say fie hey say o man brodo baby akopon chim ne brodo akoma no emra me ho
safa Ecclesiastes ayi 9:10 won so etoso won so ye powerful yo sabe so mu na bia ye ni ye
aba
na akofom ho no mu a eho adwuma bia ni nti ene ya yeti ase
ye bo adwuma
yero hu na ye adwuma nti so uni ho kura ye beka say ereko ho a
aso mama ene o de fadwum ba kutwa meto
adiachi anope say ya da so yeti ase ye beto jum na ye Eradi aye Eradi ashe yeso Wamade pachi yembiem Eyadum Adoma na mayensu yeti senia yeti Ejo nyamia hwe yesu ama Ade pachi yodini tumi na boye uban Enti yeveyi na ye kwesi tuwaso
me di
Herman say hey
ya di we chen na ya sports no e be ka nyamia samugwa
nyamia ene ni je samugwa
oh yes esa uklemi of course e no power sorry na wo ra wo
na that Herman say ya mo be fan negative o me say positive
that be fan negative no go far away
ya kwaya nimu sa
ya fantastic if you medas of mama medas ama vim na kosoro papa ama vim na kosoro
kosoro de bia say ya
medas pa
amenke nyina yo
right
o hu ya mobo that e bia dam no so be baso
Jesus
e de agro no be shem Jesus mo fa ayi QR code nto so mo register
hey dame na no be
drink
awrade ko
hey
tewo
ti asamo no
me say registration no register wo de wonya de dia pacho tranche ne wa be support you but unim bopa nya no
nya kwasi ensia no ne bi ye ni agro
come and show your powers they who say we heavy pa no be dey they are check na mu miensa and ye hwe de unim bopa ne abe the grand one no e won kan eti ano be dey e be say tadi for mo hwe anim kuma se for mo hwe anim ye ba de mu odin
ye ba de mu ma
je ma me ja men den me prepare kakra hemi ne pone kakra ma me abuso ya no pay esam akwa ba mra so de gudi mu nsam ana etwa so say bedwuma go kansi sam ne doso de se fata sauti ne de brebe ma ye kwan no ana de ba padi botwe Pablo Waiba abi me producer schedule nankasa ne Erica Siedu buedi ye mu akwa ba na ye motivational Tuesday yes na no ankasa no say ne ye de word na board say wo gusu te wono ra ho say wala